Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick hands-on with the Realme C2 smartphone that was launched along with the Realme 3 Pro today in India. Realme C2 comes in two variants, one with 2GB RAM and the other with 3GB of RAM, and the prices are 6,000 and 8,000 rupees respectively. The phone comes with a smudge-free back, that's what the company calls it, because of the fact that it comes with a matte finish on the plastic back and it's not glossy, and that's the reason why you won't see any smudges or fingerprints on the back of the device. And there are two color options here. One is the diamond blue and the other is the diamond black option. Both of them look good, and it takes us back to the previous Realme phones, that's the Realme 1, where we had seen the diamond cut finishes and those were looking quite well. On the physical aspect of the phone, so if you see, the back looks quite decent with the design that it has, and it's not glossy, so it looks very subtle. Towards the bottom, what you see are the micro USB port, the speaker grill, the microphone, as well as the 3.5 headset jack. On the left are the volume rocker buttons and the SIM tray. On the right is the power button, and on the top there's nothing. On the back of the phone, there's the dual lens camera combination where you see a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera combination with the LED flash support. And on the front of the device, what you see is a 5 megapixel camera that is for the selfies. And it is that drop notch that comes with that 6.1-inch display on the front of the device, which comes with an HD plus resolution that's 720 into 1520 pixels of screen resolution. For the OS, this phone comes with the ColorOS 6.0 that is based on Android 9 Pie, which is quite a positive thing that you see here, that it comes with the latest Android version, and that is the latest ColorOS as well, which has the app drawer and quite a lot of features to offer. And this variant that we are checking out has 3GB of RAM, and out of 32GB that is available here, there's about 20GB available to the user. And for the app drawer, you see quite a lot of pre-installed applications, a lot of bloatware that you can delete. So that is something good. You are not locked with those apps. You can always delete them. And under the security, if you see, there is only face and passcode that can be used for the security. There's no fingerprint sensor. And for the additional features, there are app management features. There's clone apps, game space, as well as the app split screen. So whatever you see on the budget range or even the mid-range phones from Realme, everything has the same UI and the same set of features. Now moving on to the cameras of the phone, the Realme C2 comes with the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera combination, and the software that is offered here is the same that was on the Realme 3 Pro as well, where you see the photo, portrait and video modes. And for the photos, you have the 13 megapixel as the best resolution, and for the videos, you can capture 1080p videos as well. Under the other settings, you see the panorama option, the expert mode, time-lapse and slow motion video recording as well. And for the slow motion, you can do 80 FPS of video recording. And for the selfies, there's that 5 megapixel camera where you can capture the regular selfies as well as the portrait ones. So for the portrait, it would take advantage of the software for the selfies, but it does quite a good job or a decent job for the portrait where the background blur happens. So this was a quick hands-on with the Realme C2 smartphone that comes in two variants, 2GB plus 16GB, 3GB plus 32GB, priced at 6,000 and 8,000 rupees respectively. If you still have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section below and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.